Hey there, this is Andrew Texidor with HomeSmart Real Estate, and this is 3812 West Missouri. I'm highlighting and featuring this property because this was part of a renovation purchase program where my client was having a hard time. We were having a hard time finding him a nice house that was move-in ready over the summer. So, you know, our real estate market's real hot and things were going quick. And I told him, I said, we're looking at 1,300 square foot houses for $200,000. Let's just go find an old house that needs renovation, that's got good bones. Let me negotiate a deal on it. And then I've got a friend, Ruben Mendoza with Redemption Fine Home Builders, that will handle the renovation. And you can choose your flooring, your cabinets, your countertops, appliances, paint, and everything else. So this is just, it still needs to be cleaned, but they just finished it. Shaker style cabinetry, quartz countertops, brand new appliances, beautiful deep sink, all new windows, fresh paint. The air conditioner was fine. All new door hardware throughout, laundry machines. Beautiful plank, wood-looking plank custom shower surround. So owner just moved in and took a shower. He's been waiting 5 weeks since he closed on the purchase. New toilet, wainscot up the side paneling. There's 3 bedrooms back here. Much the same. Won't bore you with that, but anyway, Andrew Texidor with HomeSmart Real Estate. If you are looking to buy a house in the Phoenix metro area, look me up because I will take special care of you and your housing needs. In this case, my client is thrilled that he got what he wanted. He had to wait a little bit while the renovation took place, but he's got himself now a 1,700 square foot house with a new roof, with new windows, new doors, a newer air conditioning, all new appliances, new flooring, new cabinetry, and he actually paid just a little over $200,000 with all the renovation. Renovation was handled, like I said, by Redemption Fine Home Builders, so that's a licensed contractor. If you want some more details on how this program works and to get connected with my preferred lender, feel free to reach out to me, 602-909-9414.